Back in Adobe Illustrator, let's configure the print driver to execute this piece. Select File, Print, click Setup, then click Preferences. Note that this is a Windows print driver and will only work with the Windows version of Illustrator. Epilogue does not offer a Mac driver. Your mileage may vary with other manufacturers. This dialog looks complicated, but is in fact really simple. For now, we're going to focus on just a few settings and ignore both the additional tabs and a few of the settings on this tab. This job contains both vector and raster art, so we'll set it up as a combined job. Click the Combined Radio button to do this. Directly beneath this selection, set the piece size to 12 inches by 12 inches. Again, this matches the size of the stock and makes positioning your art simpler. On the right side of the dialog, items at the top refer to elements to be engraved, while items at the bottom refer to elements to be cut. Settings vary depending on the material being used. In this case, we're using MDF, so our cuts will be made with these speed, power, and frequency settings, and our engraving will be done with these power and speed settings. In both cases, power is specified as a percentage of the laser's maximum 30 watts of power, speed is set as a percentage of the gantry's maximum travel speed, and frequency can range from 1 to 5,000, indicating how many times per second the laser will pulse to burn a hole in the stock. Cutting with a laser is accomplished by burning a series of connected small holes. The settings in the engraving section also allow you to specify alternative dot patterns for your halftones, but I recommend using the standard setting for the best appearance. Experiment with varying halftone patterns to find out what looks best to you. Click on OK, then click Print. Back in the main print dialog, you may notice that your piece looks off-center in the preview. This is because the print dialog is taking its size instructions from the engraver's driver, and it hasn't updated properly. To fix it, click Done, then reselect File Print, and when the dialog reappears, your art should be properly positioned. Now click Print to send your job to the laser engraver.